Hi, welcome to English course by Canada Lingo. In today's lesson we are learning their, onlar, their, tigers, onlar, tiger. So let's listen to the story and please repeat. Tekrar edin. Repeat.
Look, Billy.
Look, Billy. Look, Billy. Look, Billy. It means buck, Billy. Look, Billy.
What are they?
What are they? What are they? What yani ne? Are they yani onlar. Yani onlar ne? What are they? What are they? What are they? Onlar ne? Onlar nedir? What are they?
They're crocodiles.
They're crocodiles. They're crocodiles. Onlar crocodiles. They're crocodiles. So, they're, it means onlar. They're, it means onlar. So, they're crocodiles. Onlar crocodile. They're crocodiles. Onlar crocodile.
They're crocodiles, Billy.
They're crocodiles, Billy.
Crocodiles! Snap! Snap! What are they, Billy?
What are they, Billy? What are they? Onlar nedir? What are they? Onlar nedir, Billy?
They're birds.
They're birds. They're yani onlar they're birds. Kuşlar. So what are they? Onlar nedir? They're birds. Onlar kuşlar. Onlar kuşlar. They're birds. Right? They're birds. Onlar kuş.
They're birds, Billy.
They're birds, Billy. Onlar birds. Kuş, Billy. So, they're yani onlar birds, Billy. Onlar kuş, Billy.
Birds!
Birds.
Tweet, 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 tweet! Billy, what are they?
Billy, what are they? Billy, what are they? Onlar nedir? What are they?
They're tigers.
They are tigers. Tigers, kaplanlar. They're tigers. They're, yani onlar, tigers. Kaplan, tiger, it means kaplan. Tigers, kaplanlar. So, they're tigers. Tigers, it means kaplanlar.
tigers.
They're tigers. Onlar kaplan.
Tigers! Roar! 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 They're tigers.
They're tigers.
They're tigers. They aren't tigers, Billy.
They aren't tigers. Aren't yani değil. They aren't tigers. Billy. Let me write here. They aren't. Yani onlar değil. They aren't tigers. Billy. Onlar tiger değil. Billy. They aren't. Onlar değil demek. Onlar değil. They aren't.
They're boys.
They are boys. Onlar erkekler. They're boys. They're boys. Onlar erkekler. They're boys. Okay, let's listen once again. Yine dinleyelim. Let's listen once again and repeat whatever you hear.
Look, Billy. What are they? They're crocodiles. They're crocodiles, Billy. Crocodiles. Snap! Snap! What are they, Billy? They're birds. They're birds, Billy. Birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. Billy, what are they? They're tigers. They're tigers. Tigers! Roar! 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 They're tigers. They're tigers. They aren't tigers, Billy. They're boys.
Perfect. So in this lesson we learned their, öğrendik. Their yani onlar. So now we can head to the game. We can play a game. So in today's game we can learn clothes. Clothes, it means kıyafetler. Clothes. So let's start.
Bracelet.
Bracelet. Bracelet, bileklik. It's a bracelet.
Necklace.
Necklace. Kolye. Necklace. This is necklace.
Watch.
Watch. Saat. Watch.
Suit.
Suit. These are suit.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. It's an umbrella. Red and white umbrella.
Earring.
Earring. This is an earring. Earring.
Shorts.
Shorts. These are shorts. Shorts.
Hat.
Hat. Hat.
Ring.
Ring. Ring.
Socks.
Socks. Çoraplar. Socks. Socks. So they are socks. They are socks. Yani onlar çorap. So they are socks and they are shorts. Onlar short. They are shorts. They are socks. They are shorts.
Socks. Shorts.
It's an umbrella. Umbrella. It's an umbrella.
Umbrella.
It's a hat. O bir hat. It's a hat.
Hat.
So earring, ear, kulak. So earring is this. Earring.
Earring.
Bracelet. Bileklik. Bracelet. Bracelet.
Bracelet.
Watch. Watch.
Watch.
Necklace. Necklace.
Necklace.
Ring. Ring.
Ring.
And suit.
Suit.
This is a watch. Bu bir saat. This is a watch. Bu bir saat. This is a watch.
Watch.
This is a necklace.
Necklace.
This is an umbrella.
Umbrella.
This is a hat.
Hat.
These are socks. Bunlar çoraplar. These are
Socks.
socks. This is a ring.
Ring.
This is a bracelet.
Bracelet.
These are suit.
Suit.
These are shorts.
Shorts.
And this is an
Earring.
earring. Well done. Now we can read from our book, Family and Friends book. So now we learn numbers. So let's count. Sayalım. Let's count. So one girl, kız. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 girls. So they are, onlar 9 girls. 9 kızlar onlar. They are 9 girls. Let's count boys. Erkekleri sayalım. Let's count boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. This is 8, 9, 10. 10. They are 10 boys. They are 10 boys. Onlar 10 erkek. 9 girls. So 9 girls and 10 boys. All right, so here we have 10 moms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 moms. How many dads? How many boys and how many girls do we have? So how many? It means kaç tane? How many? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 dads. How many boys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boys. So we have 6 boys. And how many girls? Kaç tane kız? How many girls? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 girls. So how many boys? Kaç tane erkek? How many boys? We say 6 boys. How many girls? Kaç tane kız? How many girls? We say 7 girls. How many dads? 9 dads. How many moms? 10 moms. Okay, this is the end of the lesson here. I hope you learned very well. Have a nice day and see you later. Goodbye.